Today in this video, we will be going over the proper brush care for our DIY paintbrushes. Our beautifully unique ultra-fine bristles are made specifically for DIY paint. Our brushes are the softest on the market and are densely packed with bristles. Wash before using. Because these brushes are so full and super fine, it is normal to lose some bristles when they are new. It is helpful to wash out any initial stray bristles. DIY brushes are long-lasting and very durable. They are made to create a smooth finish for DIY paint's clay formula. DIY paint will easily wash out of our dense, soft bristles even days later. If used with other formulas or DIY top coats, please wash immediately as our ultrafine bristles can be hard to clean with stickier products or products that contain built-in top coats. These brushes are extremely unique, durable, and beautiful. The multitasker is a round brush with ultra-soft bristles, great for paint, wax, or top coats. The Little Dipper is a small round brush with ultra-soft bristles, great for paint, wax, or top coats as well. But this one fits in sample jars, small wax jars, Bohemian Brights, and our pigment jars. The Smoothie is a wide brush. It is great for blending. The Perfectionist has tapered bristles, perfect for getting into detailed areas with ultra-soft bristles. The Feather is an angled bristle brush made for painting with a light touch, great for top coats and paint. Our super unique and time-saving brush cleaner is made of charcoal and it has a metal mesh on the top. So if you apply gentle pressure in a circular motion with your brush, it will pull the pigment out of the middle of the brush, and it is very time-saving and effective for cleaning our awesome DIY brushes. If you would like to purchase any of these brushes or our brush cleaner, please head over to DIYpaint.co to find a local retailer near you, where you can shop their online websites or their storefronts. Thanks for watching!